I've done several vlog entries about Rayong. At first, it was the presence of several friends here that pulled me into embracing this slow life on this side of Thailand. Unlike the chaos of metro cities like Bangkok, Rayong offers something different, simpler, slower, and somehow I found myself being more productive here. There's less noise, fewer distractions, and I have the option to stop being a tourist. But here's the thing. For a travel vlogger, familiarity can be both a gift and a curse. The more I settle into a place, the more I forget to document it. I start living in the moment, but my uploads die suffer. It's too early in my journey as a content creator to be running out of material, but I'll be honest, it happens. The inner journalist in me resists the idea of documenting just life, but today, I'm letting that go. So here I am, documenting a regular, quiet day in Rayong. No grand adventures, no scripted plans, just life as it is. The past few weeks have been busier than usual. I'm welcoming a few changes in my professional life, which I'll share with you slowly in future vlogs. But for now, let me take you through a typical day of slow living in Rayong. Maybe there's something in it for both of us. Good morning. Hindi pa tayo nakahilam. Mas kagagising lang uli natin. But today is Saturday and we're going out with friends. So, tara, kape muna tayo. Wherever I am in the world, my mornings are almost always the same. Coffee and a laptop. It's a ritual I've grown to love. My version of calm before the storm. I'll sit and work for hours, sometimes until late afternoon, before I even think about heading out for a proper meal. It wasn't intentional, but I somehow became accustomed to the OMAD lifestyle, or one meal a day. Not sure if it's healthy, but it works for me. Of course, I break it every now and then. Rayong makes it hard to stay disciplined when it comes to food. Food markets, or talat as they call it here, are everywhere. And just a few meters from my hotel are some of the best food stalls. Cheap, fresh, delicious. It's one of the things I've grown to love about this place. The simplicity of it all. Luxury, for me, has changed. It's not about big hotels or fancy meals. It's about finding a spot with a good view of the sunset and letting the day slow down. Most nights, you'll catch me drinking a bottle or two of beer with a friend or business partners. If there's a pool table nearby, we'll probably end up playing billiards until midnight. It's a routine that feels repetitive, but at the same time, comforting. Grab dito, van siya. It's actually a replacement car. Shot. Yeah. UV Express kuya. Gamit ka Antidote. How much kapatid? 60 and 80. Kapag kap. Here we go. So let's go there first, then go back. This part of Rayong has always been one of my favorite places to stroll. There's something about being surrounded by mangroves, the quiet hum of nature, the soft creaking of the boardwalk beneath your feet. If you watched my last vlog, you might recognize it. Today, I'm sharing this place with my friend Lay, but no two visits are ever the same. Different weather, different conversations, different energy. That's the magic of it, I guess. It's one of those places that feels familiar but still manages to surprise you. So may mga pahingahan sila like this. So if you are 50 years old and above and can't walk enough, you can just rest sa mga ganun. Although this is an easy walk man. Show you where we'll be having dinner later. That's Valendez. Yan, dyan tayo magda-dinner. After a walk through the mangroves, it's only right to reward ourselves with good food. This time, I'm bringing Lay to a local favorite, Valendez. The food here never disappoints. It's a mix of Thai flavors with a Western twist. And somehow, it all works perfectly. You'll know it's good when conversations pause the moment the food arrives. We sat, we ate, we let the late afternoon slip away. Sometimes, that's all you really need. I've been in this town for a while, but I realize I haven't visited this part of the beach yet. Funny how you can live somewhere and still miss out on places that are right in front of you. So today, I'm bringing you with me. So we are now beach area. So let's see kung ano yung pwede nating makita doon sa dulo. So tingnan nyo guys. That's the beach. So ganyan lang sila guys, ganyan lang kasimple yung life. Tambay lang by the beach. Yan yung mga tao. On this side, dito dumadaan yung mga fishing boats from the Paknam area. Or Paknam is like the old village here in Rayong. Sina kuya, they're actually just fishing dun sa dulo. Yan, they are just done fishing already in here. So that's the beauty of living in a coastal village, because food wouldn't be a problem as long as you know how to fish, you know how to farm, you know how to be madiskarte in life. So yan yung dulo where kuya or the locals here actually fish. So yun, medyo mabato lang guys. Oops. So there, these are boulders. The view here is good. It's actually very nice. Ganda guys, love it. This area is quiet, not frequented by visitors. The kind of place where locals come to fish, not just to take photos. And for me, that makes it even more special. Watching the sunset here is something else. It's not rushed. It doesn't try too hard. It just is. And maybe that's the charm of Rayong as a whole. It doesn't shout for attention. But if you are paying attention, it offers you everything. Weekends are for friends. It's a little ritual we've kept going since I arrived here. This time, we headed to Mirompong Beach, about 30 minutes from the city center, to visit Yang. Ganda, ganda ng beach, right? Ayan, here guys. Mahal dito? Para sa Pasay.
Tana lang ako. Unlimited pa. So,
I'll bring my own chair.
huwag kayo pasya. Bigla na lang may lalapit dyan.
Naniningil.
30 baht yung isang chair.
Oh, it's nice. You sit at the beach. Have a picnic.
I want to go during the surfing season.
June.
Yeah, June. Yeah, I like to go. They also have surfing competitions here.
Let's pick up some.
Let's listen to the drunkard conversation.
Oh. The
Chubby Diley.
fancy. No. The
Yeah.
no. The ladies they with the ones with the fancy.
Welcome to Zambales! We have here guests from the Philippines. How's Rayong so far?
Very good.
We arrive here for the sunset.
She knows you're coming.
We are at Nena Bar. How are you, Ying? Yes, we are ready for the tournament. If you've ever watched a perfect sunset with friends while eating good food, then you already know how this part of the night went. Laughter, clinking bottles, and the kind of conversations that don't need to be recorded to be remembered. Played billiards as usual. Being competitive that we are, we needed to count points for the bragging rights. It's all for fun.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Happy Thanksgiving!
That's fun.
When you're trying your best to get a better view.
It's my song again.
A little peculiar. Before heading home, we made a quick stop at one of our go-to spots in the city, the Sandcastle Bar. Simple vibes, billiards again, chill music, a fitting end to the day. Time flies faster than I wanted to. My stay in Thailand is officially up, so I had to make the usual trip to immigration to extend my stay. It's a reminder that my time here is never permanent, even if it feels like it sometimes. This is the payment, 1,900 baht. Ayan, medyo busy kanina, hindi ko nakunan, but we just came from the immigration office for extension of our stay here in Thailand. So we're extending for another 30 days because we have some commitments in here. So we have some projects and we haven't explored the north of Thailand still. So there you go. So now we're going back to the hotel already. It's the end of the year, and looking back, I'm grateful to have shared all these little moments with you. To be honest, I'm still unsure how I feel about this type of content. Raw, simple, and too real. But maybe that's the whole point. We get so caught up trying to chase moments that we forget the beauty of just being. No grand adventure, no spectacular twist. Just regular days lived fully. I'm compelled to explore new places again soon. It's in my nature to keep moving. But with my schedule getting busier, I'm not sure what the next vlogs will look like. All I can promise is that I'll bring you with me wherever I go. If you have suggestions, drop them in the comments. I'm always curious to hear what you think. For now, check out the other episodes in the travel series. Kapun Kap! See you in the next one.